Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your videos keep buffering, freezing or loading slowly, it usually means your internet connection or device can't keep up with streaming. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix buffering on Prime Video in 2026, simple and effective. So buffering is almost always internet related. It can also be caused by device or app issues, and it's very common on Wi-Fi networks. So focus on speed and stability. And with that, you have to start with the connection. So check your internet speed, like run a speed test. Minimum recommended like 5 megabyte per second, and this is for HD. Okay, and for 4K you have to get 15 to 25 megabyte per second. So low speed means buffering. You can restart your router, like turn off your router for 30 to 60 seconds, turn it back on. It fixes most connection issues. Okay, you can move closer to the router too, like reduce distance between you or between device and router. Okay, so avoid walls or interference because strong signal means smoother streaming. You can reduce network load, like pause downloads or updates, disconnect unused devices. This frees up bandwidth. Okay, you can lower video quality too, like go to Prime Video settings, choose good or better instead of best. This reduces data usage and buffering. Okay, or restart your device as a whole, like restart your TV, phone or streaming device or any device that you are using to watch. This clears temporary performance issues. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.